What's happening, fam? Y'all know what day it is today? Today is the day. Heading over to Jersey. It's very, very early in the morning. I'm about to meet my boy Jerome in a parking lot because he's the one who's gonna be heading there with me. So we're about to see how this is gonna go. If it's loud, sorry. This car is loud. But I'm super excited. I'm super nervous because obviously I'm excited to continue this insane build. And obviously I'm nervous because, you know, I'm leaving my car there for a while, so before the break-in. So it's about to be an experience. So I'll just show you a couple clips or whatnot from, you know, just getting there, heading to Prime Motoring, in case anybody didn't know. Sorry, I assumed because I had it in previous videos. And it's in Jersey, and I'm all the way in Long Island, so it's pretty far. So, yeah, it's a good hour and a half right now. That's why we're leaving early. I woke up since 5 a.m. So, that's that. It's about to be a wild ride for me. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'll show you guys, I'll introduce you guys to my boy Jerome. I'll see you guys in a second. Oh, look who's here. My boy Jerome. Let me turn this off real quick. Yes, he arrived.
I am here.
Hello everyone, this is Jerome.
What's up, what's up?
He's the guy who will be escorting me there because I got no ride to come back. No, but this is gonna be an adventure for him as well, because he will be in the future. Obviously, he's gonna be modifying his car. Some of his cars are already modified. So he wants a great shop and a great tuner, so why not come with me and see what the experience is like. So we're about to head out, and I will talk to y'all soon. Time to go. All right, guys, me and Jerome, we made it through all the freaking bullshit and traffic and other nonsense. And look at this shit, just a sea of freaking Subarus. And we're here just on time. These guys are getting ready for their start of work, their work day. So they're pretty much bringing out all the bills out here, trying to get ready. They're probably gonna be like usually Saturdays, like a big dyno day for these guys. So let's go up the stairs real quick and see what's up. These are the notorious stairs. I've been here many times before. And most of the time, we're spending money. J-O-A-N-S-S-E-T.
From what I hear.
Know the place.
Is your car stock or?
For right now, yeah.
Okay.
So this is the guy you see when you want to spend a lot of money. I can't believe that. Remember last year now it was like, what was it, 15K? And I was now we're like up to like 25.
Don't count it. Don't count what you spend.
Don't keep a list.
I can't help it. Oh, hold this before I forget.
Yeah, I need that.
Yeah, because I was like, yo, that would be freaking awful. All right, guys, so pretty much I just talked to this guy right here, the champ. Just let him know about all the custom switches I have and everything that needs to get done or tucked away or put away. And I'll see you guys next time. Me and Jerome, we're about to take a long ride home. I'll see you guys next time when we come here when it actually when the parts come in and installing. ETS, there is a delay on like certain metals and stuff like that, so nothing's really here yet, and the motor is probably getting here next week. So I'll see y'all soon. Take it easy. Damn. Me and Jerome, we're about to leave this freaking place and my car is just sitting there. I think I'm gonna die. What do you think? I think I'm gonna freaking die. Bro, I've never left my car anywhere. This is wild.